Hello Bit30 followers, welcome to our first Ripple video of this week. Today, as every Monday, we are starting with daily chart, then continue with 4-hour and 1-hour charts of Ripple against dollar. So let's start with daily chart. Starting with daily chart, we are seeing that after this last breakout move from this downtrend channel, the price started to rise up until touching this resistance line 0.34. The sell pressure showed itself again and pushed the price downwards here between now the price is balancing between this area, between these levels, and actually after this move the price proved that it wants to stay between these green lines, which is between 0.37 and 0.28. And as we can see here, actually the Ripple's price moving within wide range areas, horizontal areas. Actually, when we look at these areas, the price moving these areas for a very long time. And after that, when the Bitcoin and the whole market actually moving upwards, the Ripple also did this move and break this green line and started to make new peaks over this green line, but it couldn't make it. It couldn't stay strong over this level, and the sell pressure pushed the price again here. So that actually we can see these levels as a challenge, as a level for Ripple. It depends actually to demands of the price. When the demand is high, the price moving another level, upper level here, and when the demand not strong that much, the price moving within this channel, this white area, so that the price is after this last touch to the around almost this green line here, the price pushed upward, the buy pressure pushed the price upward, so that the price actually proved that it wants to stay between this area. It's okay for it, and for short term maybe we can see another downwards move to this support level, but general expectation for direction of this of Ripple's trend is positive, and probably next move will be upwards again after maybe touching this support line or without it. But as long as the price stay over this support level, next target will be this one, 0.34, and for the general trend, our expectation is staying between these very wide range between these green lines, so that as long as the price stay below of this 0.37 level here, we are not expecting any uptrend move for long-term expectations. Probably every upwards move will be short-term, as long as the price stay below of it, and so that we are waiting we are waiting for the candle of Ripple to see where the price want to go. But for short-term, probably the price will balance between these small area. We are continuing with 4-hour chart, and as we can see here, I added this new yellow line. This line worked as a support line, also resistance line many times for short term of Ripple, and these white lines worked as our downtrend channel. It was our downtrend channel, and after this breakout, the price proved that it want to stay over the support level 0.31. I will delete this channel for next videos. It stays just for these videos one more time, because I wanted to remind that the demand of the Ripple wanted to go up from here, and because of that our expectation is upwards for Ripple, because the reaction was very strong from here, and this downwards move maybe can continue a bit more, but probably after touching here, around here, as we can see here, this yellow line and these red lines are crossing at this corner, And from this corner probably we will see strong buy pressure if this downwards move will continue until there. And the date of this area around, as we can see here, 24-25 July. And after that we can see strong upwards move, but if the downwards move will continue under here until touching here, so that our expectation is still upwards. And I think the general trend of Ripple is still positive, so that our first target will be 0.34 at this level. But probably as long as the price stay under this level, the volatility will be low, as like here. But if the price can stay strong over this level, probably the volatility will be getting higher and higher, but the main target will be 0.37 at this scenario. But for short term, as we can see here, the sell pressure is still very strong, stronger than buy pressure after this last try of 0.34 resistance level. And as long as the price stay going like this over this yellow line, this level will work as our support line until here. Probably at this point we will see strong buy pressure, but for the result, as I already said, expectation of Ripple is still positive, and our next target is 0.34. We proceed with 1 hour chart, and we are seeing clearer that this yellow line worked very well actually with previous move of Ripple. As we can see here, the trend starting from here, and after that the price touched this trend line first time here, and after that this strong sell pressure stopped just over on it, and after that it tested this line as a resistance level here, also with this white trend line. And after that, the most important area actually is here, because when we look at this latest move of Ripple, this level worked very well 3 times. First one is here, second, and here is also almost third one. And as long as the price stay over this yellow trend line, we can use it for short term direction of this trend of Ripple. And as we can see here, after touching this yellow line, the support line worked here, and the buy pressure showed itself. And after that, it lose power here, and now sell pressure is strong again. Probably this move will repeat itself as long as the demand getting higher, and maybe we can see this kind of moves with further candle of Ripple. Probably the price will touch this yellow line again, and one more time the buy pressure will show itself, and probably we can see this scallops move again, and until the price touching this support line 0.31. After this corner, probably we will see strong buy pressure, strong demand, and the main upwards move will start from here to the 0.34. But this is just a scenario for sure. We can see another upwards move from here, of course, because as we can see here, the price touched this yellow line almost, so it can rise up, but this is a scenario. And as long as the price stay over this 0.31, I want to say again that the price within safe area, our expectation will be upwards, and the next target will be 0.34. But for now, the volume is very low, and because of that, there is no high volatility for now. And for short-term trends direction, we can use this yellow line. But again, as long as the price stay over on it, the next target will be 0.34. We are still positive for the Ripple. Thanks for watching us. This is it for today. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe us. See you tomorrow for the next video.